Hello, I'm David Cassidy with the market update. Today, Wednesday, the 1st of July. June closed with plenty of razzle-dazzle thanks to the biggest increase in US consumer confidence since November 2011. The US Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index jumped 12.2 points to 98.1 as optimism increased after the US economy started reopening following the lockdowns. Furthermore, the sub-index showing consumer expectations for the outlook on income, business and employment conditions rose 8.4 points to a 4-month high of 106, while attitudes on the current situation gained 17.8 points to 86.2. Consequently, the Dow Jones Index closed up nearly 220 points or 0.85%, while the broader S&P 500 index rose 1.54%. Unfortunately, July has started something like a damp squib as tension between the US and China continues to escalate after the US designated two Chinese telecom companies, Huawei and ZTE, as national security threats. This, coupled with a growing acceptance that until a vaccine is found, economic growth may be prone to setbacks as localized lockdowns are imposed to combat the spread of the coronavirus. Additionally, data this morning from the Nationwide Building Society indicated that UK house prices fell a further 1.4% in June after falling 1.7% in May. Now, although 2 months of negative data, both of which were during the lockdowns, isn't a trend, given the importance of housing on our personal wealth and confidence, it may well prompt the Bank of England into providing yet more stimulus. Consequently, the UK FTSE 100 index was in negative territory this morning, down around 0.8%, but has since recovered and is now currently trading up 0.25%. While we appreciate that this yo-yoing equity market movement is extremely frustrating, as we previously warned, taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back is unfortunately something that we will all have to learn to live with over the coming weeks and months. However, it is important to remember that while horrible, this is a transient issue, and there are now lots of companies around the world working on a coronavirus vaccine, and given the number of shots been taken at the goal, the chances of a breakthrough is probably not too far away. And of course, a vaccine will allow economies to fully reopen and thus speed up the economic recovery. Tonight at 7 p.m. UK time, we will get the minutes from the Fed's last monetary policy meeting held on the 10th of June, and we'll be looking with interest at policymakers' comments for clues on the potential for additional stimulus.